Ever felt your heart leap into your throat while driving? That's exactly what happens when you meet an unexpected bump in the road. Picture the scene. The toll road is smooth and you are enjoying the freedom of speed after the congested city streets. But as you cruise into the city, your car hits an invisible bump, sending you flying for a moment. Welcome to the world of topes, Mexico's ubiquitous speed bumps designed to slow drivers down. Topes come in all shapes and sizes, and they can be found literally anywhere, even on highways and steep uphill roads. Some topes are invisible mountains, only noticeable by the sudden braking of cars ahead or their shadows at certain times of the day. Others are snakes in the gray grass, smaller but still capable of jolting you if you're not careful. Then there are the dreaded balls of doom, metal half-balls that feel like driving over bowling balls. Ridged plateaus are gaining popularity, wide and flat on top, but still capable of scratching your car's belly. So, stay alert and try to have fun with the obstacle course that is driving in Mexico. Remember, not today, tope. Visit MexicoNewsDaily.com for more.